remember the laptop that an artist made, which he installed, I think, six malware viruses
Yeah.
that apparently was super devastating.
Yeah.
So he's an artist. He made this art piece. It's called The Persistence of Chaos. And he auctioned it off. And there's an update. He basically sold it for $1.3 million.
Will, why? Like, what is it? Why do you want to own this?
So he was making a statement saying that, our digital lives are really connected to our physical ones. So there are some stakes at hand.
Sure.
These viruses, if you actually go to their website, thepersistenceofchaos.com, you can kind of see all these viruses and what they did and how much money it cost, like
In
their
damages.
government. Yeah.
Yeah, so the top one, I Love You virus, affected 500,000 plus systems and caused 15 billion in damages total and 5.5 billion in damages in the first week. I mean, that's impressive, but what I'm saying is can't anybody just buy a laptop and install these
Yeah.
viruses?
This is like a simple Samsung laptop.
Okay.
And he just wanted to make a statement. So he installed six of them, the deadliest viruses.
I want to know who bought this. You know what I mean? Because
yeah.
I'm like, can you not just get a laptop and download and install these, or is it hard to I don't understand. So it was wait a second. It was commissioned for academic purposes, commissioned by cybersecurity firm Deep Instinct. Guo Odong, who told The Verge that the piece is a way to give abstract cyber threats physical form. Okay. Still, maybe we don't know. Maybe this is hard to do. Maybe it's hard, Will, to actually effectively install these type of viruses all at once on the same system. Yeah. But still, I think it's pretty wild. I think it's pretty crazy. But then again, who am I to say? Somebody draws a picture, paints an image, Banksy, what's valuable? I don't know. I mean, I guess with the Da Vinci stuff, I get that. Da Vinci and there was a new one recently that was not him, but a French artist was sold for a lot of money. Because in those cases, you can't redo it. Like, well, I guess you could. Some people do some pretty decent fakes, but I don't know. Who's to say what's valuable and not? So I hope whoever bought it really enjoys it. They're going to put in a glass case. Dangerous viruses. I get it. Sculpture. People pay for all kinds of different stuff, all kinds of art. So who can really say? 33.7 million for this. What are those? Roasting marshmallows. Hey?
Yeah.
On
Colorful
the sticks.
marshmallows.
Colorful marshmallow roasting. That's probably offensive to somebody who's into that. I apologize. So, anyhow, fancy stuff out there in the world. Lots of ways to spend $1 million. Well, maybe that's your future. That's your retirement plan. Just buy up laptops with viruses. You know what? I don't recommend it. I don't think it's going to go well.